Hello to my channel Chinese Star. Today we will bring you the following hot and exciting news.
During the Dragon Boat Festival, Xiao Zhan studio is full of sincerity in providing food and welfare. Xiao Zhan, with his long hair and beautiful suit, is a god, come and scream. During the Dragon Boat Festival, Xiao Zhan studio presents sincere fan benefits, and the black and white twin blockbuster shows Xiao Zhan's multifaceted charm. I have always particularly liked Xiao Zhan under the lens of Labula Lauren. He looks so elegant and noble every time. The photos released this time are the behind-the-scenes shots taken by this brand. Long hair and wolf-tail suit, Xiao Zhan dressed like this has always been Xiao Zhan's godlike outfit in my mind. Xiao Zhan in a long-haired wolf-tail suit has a cold and distant feeling, mysterious and full of temptation. This set of photos immediately brought everyone to the Labula Lauren event in Singapore, right? In the turbulent crowd, the moment Xiao Zhan appears, he is surrounded by thousands of stars, impacting your eyes. He is the most dazzling presence in the crowd. Many people who have met Xiao Zhan said, Xiao Zhan's beauty is very visually impactful and makes you unable to take your eyes away. He is the kind of truly kingly handsome guy who does not need the atmosphere to highlight him. So handsome without any skills. Xiao Zhan is really amazing. Putting on sportswear, he looks like a vibrant high school student. In private clothes, he is a warm and friendly neighbor next door. In business clothes, he is a superstar who is at the forefront of fashion. Every time Xiao Zhan appears, it makes people's eyes brighter and surprises you every time. From peak to peak, always at the peak, Xiao Zhan's beauty has no upper limit. The title of newest masterpiece of showing off her skills in the most beautiful person in internal entertainment is definitely not unearned. The ever-changing Xiao Zhan is wonderful in every aspect. All styles are Xiao Zhan's domain. Xiao Zhan really doesn't have any style comfort zone. Compared with many artists who keep their appearance unchanged for thousands of years, being Xiao Zhan's makeup artist is really worry-free and allows him to give full play to his face. Xiao Zhan's face can support all imaginations. He can have bangs or show his forehead, and his hair can be long or short. It can be warm at home or cool and fashionable. It can be simple and elegant, or it can be high-end and fashionable. Xiao Zhan has whatever look you want. Xiao Zhan uses masochistic self-discipline to strictly control his figure and always maintain the best condition. This is not only responsible for his career, but also respect for his fans. As a fan of Xiao Zhan, you never have to worry about his state every time he comes out. You just need to prepare your voice and scream and cheer to your heart's content. Because Xiao Zhan doesn't like to have long hair, this wolf-tail long hair suit for Xiao Zhan is really a limited edition, so cherish it for now. Finally, let me shout out to Xiao Zhan Studio. Can you look forward to the dynamic Xiao Zhan's Dragon Boat Festival dinner? A set of black and white suit photos. Xiao Zhan Studio finally opened on the Dragon Boat Festival, sharing a set of black and white suit photos of Xiao Zhan, black and white twins, immediately reminiscent of the image of aristocratic twin young masters. Sure enough, men in suits are the most handsome. These black and white photos show Xiao Zhan's multifaceted charm. The calmness of the black suit contrasts sharply with the freshness of the white suit, making him look both elegant and solemn. Xiao Zhan's temperament fits the suit perfectly, and every photo is like a work of art, making it difficult for people to look away. The Dragon Boat Festival is a traditional festival, and Xiao Zhan Studio chose to release photos on this day, which not only brought surprises to fans, but also a special way to celebrate the festival. This set of black and white photos not only shows Xiao Zhan's fashion taste, but also reflects his diverse styles as a public figure. Whether it is the mystery and charm of the black suit or the purity and nobility of the white suit, Xiao Zhan can easily control it. Such a set of photos seems to take us into the world of a noble young master, making people can't help but imagine all kinds of romantic and wonderful storylines. For fans, seeing Xiao Zhan like this is undoubtedly the biggest surprise of the festival. They not only appreciated Xiao Zhan's handsome look, but also felt the holiday blessings he conveyed. This warm interaction made fans feel extra warm and happy during the festival. This set of black and white suit photos of Xiao Zhan once again proved his fashion charm and extraordinary temperament. Whether as an actor or a fashion idol, Xiao Zhan can always surprise and move people. I look forward to him continuing to present us with more wonderful works and fashion blockbusters in the future. The black suit is abstinent, showing the temperament of a domineering president. The white suit is elegant, revealing the noble and handsome style of a little prince. It's like being in a place of luxury and debauchery. When different Xiao Zhan stands in front of you, will you choose the black domineering president or the white prince? Xiao Zhan in a black suit gives people a strong sense of oppression and charming mystery. His eyes are firm and his aura is strong, as if he is a domineering president who controls everything. His calmness and coldness are heartwarming, bringing a fatal attraction of abstinence. If you like the type of cold and charming type, then Xiao Zhan in a black suit is undoubtedly your only choice. Xiao Zhan in a white suit shows another completely different style. He is elegant and noble, handsome and compelling, like a little prince from a fairy tale. His smile is warm and his temperament is pure, giving people a gentle and noble feeling. If you prefer the elegant and gentlemanly style, then Xiao Zhan in a white suit will definitely make you excited. Whether it is the black overlord or the white prince, Xiao Zhan can perfectly interpret these two completely different styles. His versatility and unparalleled charm make each outfit full of unique appeal. In this place of luxury, different Xiao Zhan bring you different visual enjoyment and heart-moving experience. When faced with such a choice, will you be attracted by the cold and domineering Xiao Zhan in a black suit, or be moved by the elegant and gentle Xiao Zhan in a white suit? No matter which one you choose, it is a unique and wonderful experience, because Xiao Zhan's charm is irresistible. Netizens have said that there is no need to eat the rice dumplings for the Dragon Boat Festival today. Just looking at this group of photos of Xiao Zhan is sweet enough, and you can spend a beautiful Dragon Boat Festival. There is no need to choose between black and white, and you want them all. It seems that netizens are very greedy. Xiao Zhan's black and white suit photos really add a lot of sweetness and beauty to this Dragon Boat Festival. In a black suit, he exudes a strong abstinence charm, as attractive as a domineering president. In a white suit, he looks elegant and noble, like a handsome little prince. Such a double charm is indeed difficult to choose. Netizens' comments speak out everyone's voice. Who cannot be greedy in the face of such a handsome Xiao Zhan? The perfect combination of black and white styles makes people want to have them all. This is not just a set of photos, but also a visual feast. Each one is as exquisite as a work of art, and every detail is intoxicating. The Dragon Boat Festival is a day full of traditional culture and festive atmosphere, and Xiao Zhan's set of photos undoubtedly adds modern and fashionable colors and more happiness to the festival. While appreciating Xiao Zhan's beautiful photos, fans also feel the special blessings of the festival. This interaction makes the Dragon Boat Festival more warm and sweet. Xiao Zhan's black and white suit photos brought great surprises and happiness to everyone during the Dragon Boat Festival. Whether it is the domineering president in a black suit or the noble prince in a white suit, it is hard to resist. It is not difficult to understand the greed of netizens, because who can not love such a Xiao Zhan? I wish everyone a wonderful and unforgettable Dragon Boat Festival in this sweet atmosphere. Xiao Zhan's last business was to send city postcards to everyone on the streets of Chongqing. This time the business is already in a castle. Although the person is still the daily Xiao Zhan, the feeling he shows is completely different. On the streets of Chongqing, Xiao Zhan shows a kind and down-to-earth image. He holds a postcard and blends into the scenery of the street, giving people a warm and real feeling. At that moment, Xiao Zhan seemed to be a friend around everyone, smiling and sharing his hometown with everyone, conveying his love for Chongqing and his care for fans. Xiao Zhan in the castle shows a completely different temperament. The background of the castle adds a layer of mystery and nobility to him. The black and white suit makes him look like a prince or a domineering president from an ancient noble family, and every posture is full of elegance and majesty. His eyes and posture perfectly match the classical atmosphere of the castle, giving people a dreamy visual enjoyment. This sharp contrast not only shows Xiao Zhan's multifaceted charm in different scenes, but also highlights his plasticity and performance ability. Whether on the streets of modern cities or in the ancient castle full of history, Xiao Zhan can bring everyone completely different experiences and feelings through delicate performances and natural postures. Xiao Zhan's diverse performances not only surprise and satisfy fans, but also show his professionalism and profound skills as an artist. Every time he is in business, he can bring everyone new visual and emotional experiences, which makes people's expectations and love for him continue to increase. Whether it is the warmth and kindness of the streets of Chongqing or the noble mystery in the castle, Xiao Zhan has won the hearts of fans with his expressiveness and charm. In this way, he can always bring surprises and touches to everyone, allowing people to see the same wonderful but different sides of Xiao Zhan in different scenes. Xiao Zhan, who has a wolf-tail hairstyle, started business with a limited long hair version, showing different styles in black and white, bringing multiple surprises to fans, and showing aristocratic temperament. The wolf-tail hairstyle gives Xiao Zhan a new charm, which complements the black and white suit, making him have both a modern and fashionable sense of trend and a classical and elegant aristocratic atmosphere. The long flowing hair naturally reveals a kind of unruly and free and easy, while the black and white two-color styling gives him more layers and depth. Xiao Zhan in a black suit exudes a strong abstinence charm, and the temperament of a domineering president comes to his face. His eyes are firm, his posture is calm, and every detail reveals a strong confidence and control. The long wolf-tail hair is more mysterious and cold against the black suit, as if he can see through everything and control the overall situation. This image brings a strong visual impact that makes people can't help but fall for it. Xiao Zhan in a white suit shows an elegant and noble side. The purity of white complements his handsomeness, and his long hair falls gently on his shoulders, like a prince in a fairy tale. His smile is warm and his eyes are soft, giving people a gentle and noble feeling. This image seems to take us into a dreamlike world full of romance and poetry. Whether it is a domineering president in a black suit or a noble prince in a white suit, Xiao Zhan with a wolf-tail hairstyle can perfectly control it, showing his unique multifaceted charm. This changeable style not only shows Xiao Zhan's fashion taste, but also allows fans to see more possibilities and plasticity in him. Every time Xiao Zhan changes his style, he can bring different surprises and touches to everyone. This time, the limited long hair version in black and white is undoubtedly another successful image breakthrough, bringing fans a new visual enjoyment and emotional experience. Xiao Zhan's aristocratic temperament is fully revealed in this set of photos, once again proving his extraordinary charm and influence in the fields of fashion and performing arts. I look forward to Xiao Zhan bringing more surprises and wonderful performances in the future, using his talent and hard work to constantly surpass himself and create more unforgettable moments.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to our support channel.